Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see about the half step wheel. It is the fundamental building block of Western music. The 12 steps are corresponds to the 12 frets of the fretboard, and those 12 steps has a letter name from alphabet along with some other symbol. So the guitar that allows us to play the combination of notes which are called chords. If we are playing open E string, a low string, our sixth string would be the count of the 12th fret or 12 half step. Then we will wind up to the next 12 half steps higher on another E. It keeps going on until no longer can hear it. Easy way to remember the 12 half step wheel is there is a sharp above every note except B and E, and there is a flat below every note except F and C. Let me explain the wheel from the clockwise direction. We start from the right with C and D sharp. In between the D and E we have D sharp. In between E and F there is no sharp or flat. That's the conclusion, that there are the sharps and flats in between the every note but except the B and C and E and F. And we moving to the anti-clockwise direction. It starts from the flat symbol. So there is a flat below the every note. We will be starting from B to B flat, A to A flat, G to G flat, and F. There is no flat between F and E. Easy way to remember is ascending notes have sharp note except B and E. All the descending notes have the flat note between them except C and F. These 12 steps in Western music divide the musical palette in a way that allows us to create melodies and chords. I hope you all understand of what a half step and how it corresponds to each of the fret. Here I am going to start from E, which is the open string. Next I am going to move F on the first fret, second fret F sharp, third fret G, fourth fret G sharp, fifth fret A, sixth fret A sharp, seventh fret B. There is no more sharp, and so we are straightly moving to the C on the 8th fret, C sharp on the 9th fret, D on the 10th fret, D sharp on the 11th fret, and we are moving to the E. This E, which is similar to the open string. Some notes in the guitar that's actually repeat on the other strings as well. Next I am going to show in the first string. Two half steps are also called the whole step. I am starting from E, and this is F, two half step, so this is G. Next two half steps we are moving. This is A. Then we are moving two half step, which is B. After that B, we are moving to the C. So it is only one half step. So this is the C. Next we are moving two half steps. This is D. Then we are moving two half steps, which is E. It's also called two half steps or whole steps. And the one main important thing is the C has only one half steps. Thanks for watching my channel. If you like my video, then subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.